Here's my '07 Sabre. Now I have LEDs. These are switchbacks, so these are white running and yellow turn. And the rear I've modified. Instead of an 1156, which is turn only, these are 1157 red. So with the key on, I have actually tail lights and turn signals. So we'll go to the front here and we'll turn on the left, and I'll show you what these do. And that's what they do. This has a factory flasher. And we'll go back here. So I have turn signals and flashers. That was an easy modification. So just add resistors. The wiring under here is simple to get to. Light blue on the right. You just tap into that, ground the other end of the resistor, and orange for your left, and ground the other end. Resistors get hot, so get them tucked out of the way, and that's all there is to it.